guys. Hi. How you doing? Hope you're doing great. So today we'll get a little bit closer to each other, and I will be doing some up close hand movements and hand sounds. So let me just take off my headphones. So you guys have to excuse the setup because we're actually just going to get to hop on the train in like 2 hours. And so everything is packed, and I'm actually in my boyfriend's room, his study, his office, shall I say. So yeah, I'm just recording this on the setup that I just came up with on the spot. So hope you're doing great. I'm pretty sure that I am like hitting the table with my t-shirt, but oh well, and the mic is actually up there, so I just decided to try something new. So I decided to try something new today, because I always wonder how ASMR artists do a lot of like hand sounds and movements up close without hitting the mic, and I just feel like their mics are either like on their sides, like here on both sides, like 2 different mics, or their mic is just out of the way, probably down there, but I don't have this option. So how are you doing? How are you doing, guys? I hope you're doing great. Yeah, we're taking the train to another city, to a bigger city, and then we will fly away. Yeah, I am filming this on Saturday, so, and I will post it on Mondays per usual, as per usual. So yeah, by that time I will be in another country, just like I said in my last video. You guys, I hope you can hear me, because doing this with headphones is just not it's not an option. I wonder if I do this, is it nice? Do you like this? Do you like it hitting the table? I have no idea how this sounds. So yeah, guys, today I went to sleep at like 2:30 a.m. because I was playing Cyberpunk. Then I got up at 9 because I had to do a lot laundry, to pack the suitcase, to to do, just like miscellaneous stuff, to run some errands. And yeah, so basically I was busy the whole day. We were busy, like we were going places, doing stuff. So yeah. Да, мы были очень занятые, и достаточно было много дел. Я сегодня была и в магазине, и в цветочном магазине, и у мамы моего парня. И я сегодня звонила по телефону и разговаривала с кучей людей непонятных. Я сегодня продала блендер. Randomly, guys. I sold my blender today, which I actually bought in 2021. You know why? You can guess. Because I got braces. And if you don't know, if you never got any braces, you wouldn't know that it hurts like hell. All of your oral area hurts like hell for like the first 3 to 4 days. You basically cannot. Just imagine all of your teeth moving at once, and it's like super tight, and you cannot chew anything. So you have to eat blended foods, and like children, baby food. Yeah, right. Baby. You're my babies, guys. So you have to eat baby food, and so that blender was my savior. And this time I also got some oral surgery as well, and I couldn't really eat solid foods or even chew or even properly, like drink properly for almost 2 weeks. I mean, a little bit less than 2 weeks, but still. And so my mother shipped my blender from my apartment to another city, because like, why wouldn't she, right? It was just there for like all of those years that I haven't been in Russia, and randomly I needed one. Even if this video is not of the best quality of the sound, I would still have to put it out, because the next week is super busy. By the way, I don't know if you know that, but so we moved to, like, right now we are in the rental apartment. Our landlord has already approved like everything is okay, and we just move out in a couple of hours. And we actually had to buy our own Wi-Fi router, Wi-Fi thingy, right? And it like costs a lot, because like my boyfriend likes to game, and we both of us work from home, so we needed a really good connection, right? So he got a very expensive Wi-Fi thingy, and of course we wouldn't leave it here, right? So he just gave it to his friend, just gifted it. So right now we're sitting with no internet, because there is no mobile internet in Russia right now, almost nowhere. Try to guess why, if you can't read the news. So yeah, that's the reality. We do not have any mobile internet. Almost nothing works, but you can still call people. Yeah, but no Wi-Fi, no internet. So like for 2 hours we're just, we are uninformed of anything that's going around. And around and around and around and around and around. Поэтому, ребята, поэтому мы сваливаем. Мы не хотим жить в информационном вакууме. Вакууме, 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 вакууме. So yeah, guys, just treasure the fact that you have access to the internet. Anyways, let me know what's interesting is happening in your own country, Расскажите мне, пожалуйста, я все хочу знать. Let me know. I'm always I wanna stay informed about all of the current events, because you know, guys, it changes so rapidly, like rapid change, and it's not always good. But let's relax. There's literally nothing we can do, right? Nothing. We can only try to, exist in this reality and make it better for ourselves. Okay, guys, sorry this one is a little bit shorter one. I know people asking me to make longer videos, but first of all, it's freaking hot in here. Second of all, I don't have any inspiration currently, and I haven't had any inspiration for months. It's like, where is the stress? There is no room for creativity, right? So let's hope that once we're out of this situation, this situation, things will get better. Also, some of my most popular videos are those of just talking hand sounds, and people also asking for me to do that, and I will make those videos a staple of my channel, because hand sounds of any sorts, like dry hand sounds, are by far my absolute favorite videos to watch myself. And I would love to produce some of the best content in regards of hand sounds. So yeah, guys, you can expect those as well. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I hope the audio is okay, cause like my Blue Yeti and these, something is not working. So I'm just, I don't have anything. I cannot hear what I'm doing. I hope everything is okay. Anyways, I'll see you next time.